we can fully expect stagflation, as you described it, the stock market languishing, the bond market languishing, and we haven't even begun yet to see the real estate market languish, which it's going to do. Housing sales dropped 16% in March. We haven't seen anything yet. The housing market is going to implode just like it did in 07 and 08 because it was an overbought marketplace. Prices rose too fast, too high, and to an unsustainable level, just as the stock market did during the pandemic. This is all what happens when you throw $6 trillion into the American economy. Forget about the trillions globally.
Right. So let's break that down. If you're 30 years old and you have a 30-year investment horizon, it may not matter in the big picture. But right. What do you say to people who have a 2, 5, and 10-year investment horizon at this point?
If your time horizon is 2 years, you need to radically alter your allocation. You need to focus on safety first, preservation of capital, and quit trying to get rich quick, which was easy to do over the past 2 decades. Right. That party's over. It's done. And the fact that you've already lost a lot of money over the last 6 months, lick your wounds and prevent yourself from losing even more money over the next 6 months. So if you're a short-term investor, which is anybody under 3 years, you need to be in a safe scenario. If your outlook is 5 or 10 years or beyond, you can take a much different perspective. You can recognize that ultimately this too shall pass. And today we will turn around in the future at 2030. We will look back at 2022 and say, wow, that was a great buying opportunity. So you need to have your head on straight. You need to recognize that investing is about long-term. It's not about short-term speculation or get rich quick, even though that was certainly readily available since this time 2 years ago when we hit the bottom of the pandemic in 2020. But that's an aberration. That's not normal. The stock market's supposed to earn 10% a year, not 2% a day, which is what the NASDAQ did yesterday. So we got to get our heads on straight and get realistic expectations so we don't hurt ourselves.